Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, presenting Sand Village, where charm meets modern living in this luxurious duplex villa for sale in Bavaro. Starting from $235,000, this duplex villa features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, within 1,793 square feet, nestled in the exceptional area of Vista Cana. Experience seamless travel with Punta Cana International Airport just a 10-minute drive away. Indulge in beachfront bliss, as this Bavaro villa for sale is conveniently located 5 minutes away from the pristine beaches of Vista Cana. Stay active with running trails and cycling circuits, indulge in sport fishing, and find tranquility in a dedicated yoga practice area. Facilitate productivity with co-working and co-office spaces. Personalize your living space with terrace and pool upgrades at an extra cost. Enjoy the convenience of a service room, providing flexibility within these homes for sale in Punta Cana. Sand Village is more than a community, it's your Vista Cana dream. Seize the opportunity to make this duplex villa for sale in Bavaro yours. Contact us today and let's turn this dream into your perfect Vista Cana home. And, with our convenient payment plan, reserve with $3,000, 15% after signing the contract, 35% during construction, and the final 50% upon delivery. Secure your haven today.